Hey there, car owners of Canada. Are you tired of those mysterious dashboard warning lights that seem to appear out of nowhere? Or perhaps you found yourself stranded on the side of the road, wishing you had an inkling of what might be wrong with your beloved vehicle? Well, your automotive woes are about to take a backseat. Introducing Auto Insight by BOYD Auto Repair, the AI tool that's here to revolutionize the way you understand and manage your car's health. Imagine this, you're about to head out for a weekend getaway, bags packed, excitement in the air, and then, boom, the dreaded check engine light pops up. Panic sets in, but what if you had a tool that could demystify that cryptic warning and give you a clear picture of what's happening under the hood? Enter Auto Insight, your new best friend in automotive diagnostics. This groundbreaking AI tool is designed to help you identify potential issues with your vehicle before they become full-blown problems. It's like having a little mechanic friend right in your pocket, offering you peace of mind and guidance when you need it most. Now, you might be wondering, why not just wait until something goes wrong to see a mechanic? Here's the deal, catching issues early can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Auto Insight gives you valuable insights that help you decide whether it's safe to drive to the shop or if it's time to call for a tow. It's all about empowering you with information so you can make the right call for your safety and your wallet. One of the key features of Auto Insight is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a car expert to understand it. With just a few clicks, you'll receive a comprehensive overview of potential issues, along with straightforward explanations that make sense. It's like having a translator for car speak, turning those intimidating error codes into understandable advice. Plus, with its cutting-edge technology, Auto Insight is constantly learning and updating to ensure you're getting the most accurate information available. But Auto Insight isn't just about diagnosing problems, it's about education too. Ever wondered what that rattling sound might mean or why your car is suddenly guzzling more fuel than usual? The tool offers educational insights that explain the possible causes, helping you become more informed about your vehicle's quirks and needs. It's an opportunity to learn and grow as a car owner, making you more knowledgeable and confident in handling your car's health. And let's not forget the convenience factor. Auto Insight is accessible anytime, anywhere, directly from your smartphone. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, you have a reliable resource at your fingertips. It's like having a mechanic on speed dial who never sleeps. And while the tool is incredibly powerful, it doesn't replace the expertise of a professional mechanic. When in doubt, the team at BOYD Auto Repair is just a call away at 1-833-649-2048, ready to provide expert advice and assistance. So, whether you're a seasoned driver or new to the road, Auto Insight is the perfect companion to enhance your driving experience. It's about taking control, reducing anxiety, and ensuring your vehicle is as reliable as you need it to be. Imagine the freedom of driving without the fear of unexpected breakdowns, knowing you're equipped with the insights to keep your car running smoothly. Now is the time to take charge of your car's health. Don't wait for that next warning light to catch you off guard. With Auto Insight, you're not just getting a tool, you're gaining peace of mind and a deeper connection with your vehicle. So why hesitate? Join the community of savvy car owners who are embracing the future of automotive care. Sign up for Auto Insight by BOYD Auto Repair today and drive with confidence.